Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're checking out 10 classic motorcycles for sale right now. Affordable, legendary, and ready to bring back the golden era of riding. Let's dive into these timeless machines. 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, $2,000, Tallahassee, Alabama. A raw piece of American heritage, this Ironhead represents Harley's working-class spirit. It's got the scars of a life well-ridden, a dented tank, a busted kickstand, and a carb that needs some love. But that's the beauty of it. It's authentic. The 1982 Ironhead delivers that unmistakable Harley rumble with torque that speaks louder than words. The seller rode it daily before a job change took away his riding time. It still runs strong, just needs a little tuning and maybe a rebuilt carb to bring back its thunder. If you're looking for a real project that rewards your effort with raw power and old-school pride, this Ironhead is calling your name. 2. 1996 Suzuki Intruder VS 1400. $1,500, Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Here's a bargain with attitude. Suzuki's big V-twin cruiser that rivals Harley's in both sound and presence. The Intruder 1400cc packs serious punch per its price. It's got a few small needs, a new wheel bearing, maybe a rear tire, but the engine runs strong and that deep V-twin rumble makes it worth every penny. It's a classic 90s cruiser with that low-slung stance, perfect chrome, and a clean title ready to go. The seller's even open to Jeep or trail rig trades. Talk about personality! If you want affordable muscle with plenty of life left, this Intruder delivers that big bike feel without the big budget. 3. 1975 Yamaha RD125, $2,500, Pearl, Mississippi. A time capsule from the golden age of Japanese two-strokes. The Yamaha RD125 might not be the biggest, but it's got heart and that signature two-stroke crackle that gets under your skin. Mostly original and still running strong, it's light, agile, and built for pure riding joy. The brakes stop well, the engine sings, and it still looks amazing for its age. Take it for a spin around town and you'll feel why these little Yamahas became legends. Simple mechanics, tons of character, and an irreplaceable old-school vibe. 4. 1978 BMW R100, $4,900, DeRidder, Louisiana. If precision engineering had a face, it would look like this BMW. Fully restored as a cafe racer by reincarnation cycles, this R100 is basically a new bike with an old soul. Digital gauges, new everything, and just 200 miles since the rebuild. It's a machine built for those who appreciate clean lines and smooth rides. The 4-speed transmission glides effortlessly, the air-cooled twin hums like a symphony, and the handling feels timeless. With a clear title and impeccable restoration, this is a collectible you can actually ride every weekend. Number 5. 1965 BSA A50 Cyclone, $2,600, St. Louis, Missouri. Now here's a British rarity, the 1965 BSA Cyclone. Dual carb 500cc power, full gauges, folding pegs, and a riding feel that's pure nostalgia. It runs and rides with a clean title, just needs a side cover and a bit of tender loving care. Few bikes from this era combine performance and soul like the Cyclone. The sound, the stance, and the smell of that old British steel. It's the kind of bike that makes you slow down just to admire it. for collectors chasing authenticity, this one's a gem worth polishing. Six, 1973 Honda CB500, $5,500, Fairhope, Alabama. One of the best all-around classics ever built, the Honda CB500. This one's been treated right. Full engine rebuild in 2018, new carbs, updated fuel system, fresh battery, and new brake components. It's turnkey ready, needing only minor tuning to hit perfection. The CB500 was Honda's masterpiece of balance, fast enough for the highway, light enough for daily use, and reliable enough to ride across states. With its elegant lines and legendary dependability, this CB is the kind of bike you can own for decades and never grow tired of. Seven, 1976 Kawasaki KE125, $3,000, Satsuma, Alabama. Light, fun, and almost untouched by time, this KE125 feels like it just rolled out of 1982. It's a two-stroke trail bike that runs like new, despite being nearly 50 years old. The seller still rides it often, proving it's not just a garage ornament. With its green paint and minimalist design, it's the essence of classic off-road freedom. Perfect for back roads, trails, or even vintage enduro events. For under $3K, you're getting a piece of Kawasaki's golden era, simple, reliable, and always ready for an adventure. Eight, 1979 Triumph 750, $5,500, Shelbyville, Tennessee. British muscle at its finest. This Triumph has been owned since 1995 and has undergone 2 full frame-up restorations, including a complete engine rebuild. It looks fantastic with professionally repainted tank, chain guards, and side panels. Most parts remain original, and the craftsmanship shines through. After 3 years in storage, it could use a quick carb clean and new tires. But once fired up, that 750cc twin delivers a sound that melts any classic fan's heart. For anyone chasing a blend of history, performance, and art, this Triumph checks every box. Nine, 1975 Norton 850 Commando, $21,500 US, Lenoir City, Tennessee. The crown jewel of British motorcycling. This 1975 Norton Commando has been fully restored, electric starter, motor, and transmission all rebuilt, every bolt polished stainless, every detail professionally finished. It's not just like new, it's arguably better than new. The handling, torque, and craftsmanship put it in a class of its own. Collectors dream of Commandos like this, a machine that captures the best of the 70s and turns it into rolling art. Ten, 1982 Yamaha TT250G, $600, Greenville, Texas. We close with a true budget project, the 1982 Yamaha TT250G. It starts, runs, and sounds great, just needs finishing touches. The motor's solid, the brakes work, and it even comes with manuals, spare parts, and a second cylinder jug. The shocks are rebuilt and the top end is new. It's a bit leaky and could use new gaskets, but for $600, it's a running classic that begs to be ridden, restored, or customized. For anyone who loves to wrench and ride, this TT is an affordable ticket to vintage motorcycling fun. From Harley muscle to British icons and Japanese legends, these bikes prove that owning a piece of history doesn't have to break the bank. Which one would you take for a ride? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more timeless machines here on MotoMarket Explorer.